We have a 2003 Lexus LX470. It is a repairable vehicle. It was involved in a minor collision. It got the front bumper, the radiator support, and these two inner fender well panels. You can see the last crinkle is right here. Doesn't go any closer to the body than that. This little bracket is just slightly bent, but the damage doesn't continue to the frame. There's a slight bend in this radiator support bracket here, and you can see the radiator support is bent just a little bit back that way, but not too bad. That's the body damage. The hood was completely untouched. It opens and closes. You can see the line coming down here. The reveal between the fender and the hood are still really nice. The other physical damage or mechanical damage, the airbox was broken. Airbox goes right here, and there's a tube that goes out to the fender well out here, and all that stuff broke along with the headlight and the running light. Other than that, everything else is still totally intact. All of the oil coolers, the AC condenser, the radio, all that stuff is perfect. Even the airbag sensors, no airbags were deployed. So the other mechanical damage is, I believe, because the power steering no longer works, is probably the power steering rack got blown out, because it did hit this front tire just a little bit, and the alignment's off. And but believe it or not, this car still runs and drives. You can still start it up. The tires have probably about 75 to 80% tread still left on them. Show you that it starts and runs. See here, it's got 173,000 on it. I mentioned before the power steering doesn't work, and also you can see down there, focus in on that, the VGRS light is on, and that stands for variable gear ratio steering. And on these cars, that's probably their only weak link. Everything on these things are incredibly tough and resilient and reliable. But I did some research looking at stuff online, and there are some people that complain about their VGRS unit blowing out, just hitting a pothole. So I'm assuming that's a problem on this car. Put it in reverse. Show that it still goes in reverse. Anyways, great car. We'd love to keep it. It's just a little project for somebody, or it's a great parts car. It's a shame if that's what it got used for, but lots of really nice parts on here. I mean, everything, there's not a single thing in here that doesn't work, or it's broken, or or is worn out or damaged in some way. Just a really, really nice car. Here's the back seat. This is the, I guess you'd call it the trunk. And tailgate. Third row seats. You can see how much space there is behind there after the third row. Not a whole lot, but with the third row up you fit. There's 8 seat belts. In the back seat, passenger side. The third row. Passenger side front seat. Driver's side.